In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link on Jotform. So if you're looking to enhance your forms with clickable links, follow along and we'll go through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. This is your first step into successfully adding those handy links. So make sure your login details are ready and secure. Once you've logged in, navigate through your Jotform account and open the specific form you wish to modify. This may involve a bit of browsing through your existing forms, so make sure you know which one you want to adjust. This ensures we're editing the correct form and helps maintain an organized workspace. Now look over to the left hand side of your screen where you will see the Add Element button. Go ahead and click on that. It will present you with various elements you can introduce to your form, such as text boxes, images, and other interactive components that can make your form more engaging. As you scroll down through the available options, keep an eye out for the paragraph element. This element is our tool for embedding hyperlinks into the form. Select this option and get ready to implement it onto the page. After selecting the paragraph element, it's time to drag and drop it right into your form. You'll see an empty text box appear, which is where you will type the text that will act as your clickable link. This is your opportunity to get creative with your wording, whether it's something straightforward or a call to action that encourages engagement. Next, you'll need to select the specific piece of text within the paragraph element you want to become clickable. This is crucial. Highlight precisely what you want users to be able to click on. It could be a simple phrase, a web address, or even a product name. With the text selected, you'll notice a toolbar at the top of the paragraph editor. Click on the Insert Edit Link icon, which looks like a chain link. This is the gateway to making your text a functional link. A pop-up will appear prompting you to paste the URL you want the text to point to. Be sure the URL is correct and functional to avoid any errors. Finally, click OK to save the link. It is always a good idea to double check your work by trying out the link yourself to ensure it guides users to the correct web page. And there you have it. Now you know how to effortlessly add links to your Jotform, enhancing both functionality and user experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to practice this skill to ensure your forms are as useful and efficient as possible.